Hello everyone, welcome to our second vlog in Jeddah. We are all gearing up for the Saudi Arabian Grand Prix. It's in more or less everybody's bucket list to go and attend the Formula One event, and we were no different. So we are here in Jeddah to attend the Saudi Arabian Grand Prix, the Formula One.
First race of the 2024 championship was held in Bahrain, and today we are here at Jeddah to attend the Saudi Arabian Grand Prix.
Today is the race day, which is the third day actually of the Formula One where we are going. The tickets that we got, it was for 600 riyals per head, and for both of us it was 1,200 riyals. So if you convert it to INR, it will be around 25,000. Among all the countries where F1 takes place, in Saudi Arabia, in terms of price of the tickets, it is the cheapest one. So it was a good deal for us anyway. The race will be followed by live performances of three famous personalities. Number 1, Pharrell Williams. Number 2, Alicia Keys. And number 3, the famous Martin Garrix. It was my bucket list. The gates for the event will open at 1 p.m. and we don't want to miss out on anything. So without being late, come on, let's get ready. We got our wristbands and then we had to scan this on the barcode. The gates were supposed to be open at 1 p.m. We came very early, like before 12:30, because we were so excited that we couldn't stay home. We had to wait for half an hour and then we got the wristbands. It's extremely sunny. Rohit is fine with it, but I feel that I'm getting tanned. Where Rohit's score was 43 and mine was 36. So Rohit's name is on the scoreboard over there. Well done. Thank you. It is extremely sunny, and this is the street that we have made is we did not carry our caps or sunglasses, and this is kind of a learning for us. It's becoming extremely difficult for me to read videos, and there is no field as well where we can go and stand or sit. So we are just here like under the seats right now, so we are safe and landing. They have finally provided us with free cabs. There was an option where you can print your name on the cab, but there was a huge queue and I did not have the energy to go and stand there and to get our names printed. It wasn't like that good, but it's okay. It was okay. I preferred having a cab with no name. I'm happy. It has 2 F1 cars. This cab was a huge savior for both of us, especially me. Though Rohit wasn't feeling the intensity of the sun, he was okay with it, but I was like, I'll die out of sunstroke. I went to that stage, so it was really helpful. This is a miniature track where remote control cars are being like operated. These cute F1 cars, and this is the track. The best part about this F1 village is that you can get free water whenever you want to, because there are multiple stalls. Even the stalls that were banks, they are also giving out free water, and which is a very good gesture. Time right now is 4:30 p.m. and we are sitting here. There are a lot of rides where we could have gone, but we chose to skip it because we need to save our energy for night, because the main event, the race, the concert is going to be at 9. and if we are exhausted that time, I won't be able to make videos and show it to you guys. So it's better to just sit and relax. But in the meantime, if there's something special, I'll definitely show you guys. The time right now is almost 5:30 and we are heading towards the central grandstand from where we will be watching the race. Because from 6 p.m. there is a drivers parade which we will be watching, and we don't want to miss that out. And I don't think from there we're gonna come down again. We'll be sitting there till the end of the race. In Red Bull there are two drivers. Number one is Max Verstappen, who's racing for 8 years, and then there's Sergio Perez, who's racing for 13 years. So two great drivers are there. Max Verstappen has won 55 races in total, and since 2021 he has consecutively won 3 years World Championship of Formula 1, and hoping that this year also he will be the one. In F1 all the drivers are equally good and equally trained, but we are hoping to hear the national anthem of Netherlands once again. That's
too bad. I think we had some tracks last year that
all
were
the
far
drivers
worse
are there.
than this in terms of straight line speed. So we will see. But
Go give a shout out for your favorite team, favorite driver.
we'll see. So in that case, P4 would be
You're standing because the national anthem of Saudi Arabia is going on. Everybody's standing.
سيرجيو بيريز وايضا شارل كلير عم يحاول يقطع الطريق. سيرجيو بيريز مقدم على شارل كلير. سيرجيو بيريز في المركز الثاني. شارل كلير يحاول يتقدم على سيارة سيرجيو بيريز. سيرجيو بيريز وشارل كلير. السيارات الأخيرة
Norris is leading and Max Verstappen is on the second place. He went for his first pit stop, hoping he would come up. Right now, 10th lap is going on.
See this on the right. في هذه الأثناء السباق الثاني في
Lap 44 out of 50 and Daniel Ricciardo is 1 lap to give space for Verstappen to go ahead of him. Verstappen is the winner as usual. Red from from here. And that's fine.
Everybody on my left, make some noise. On the right, make some noise. Hey.
Everybody throwing their
And now we're
hands.
done.
You already figured how lively the performance was, but coming to the crowd, if third class crowd had a definition, it would be this. I hope you understand. If you don't, then also it's fine. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you have made it till this end, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, as I always say, because it will motivate me to make a lot of videos. To make a video, there's a lot of effort that we both need to put. Today also, it was kind of a situation where it was becoming very difficult to make videos, but still we did it so that we can show it to you guys. It would be great if you can support us. Thank you so much, and bye bye. I'll see you in my next video.